Yeah, several times in
Mhm.
PNG.
So basically, so she introduced already to you the our company, our iTerra Care. She has mentioned you anything about iTerra Care?
Yeah, she did briefly,
Okay.
and yeah, and she told me to connect me to you, her
Okay.
upline,
Okay.
to give me more information on, yeah, the company you're in.
Yeah, nice. So I am, by the way, I am Kuya Vincent. I am Vincent Moreno Viñas. I'm a licensed physical therapist here in United Arab Emirates. I've been 23 years in the business already of Ministry of Healing. So I have thousands of cases already handled as a physical therapist, mostly stroke patients, Parkinson's, low back pain, knee pain, total knee replacement, bypass graft. So any disability with problems with their pain,
Okay.
inflammation, and motor function. So I am the one helping them. Based on my profession
Oh,
as a physical therapist, no? So, do you know
mm.
any physical therapist also?
Here
Friend?
in PNG,
Yeah, PNG.
we do have
You do
you
have, yeah.
in the
Because we are
yeah.
really helping a lot of with regards to motor function, disability, impairment, so pain management. So we are dealing most of those things. So you already know about global, no? M Global, right?
In global.
You know about
Yeah,
M Global already, right? So
I've joined global since 2016 until now.
until now. So I want to introduce to you a new brand. See, we are not dealing with supplements. We are not dealing with
Right.
something that you put in your mouth or you drink, except of also of course the water. So this is actually our company right
Okay.
now. It's known as Prive International. So meaning we are Prive International. The Prive came from the word prime and life. So we are at the prime of our life. You know how important health is, right? Health is really wealth. Do you remember during the
Mm-hmm.
corona time, a lot of people died. I have a lot of friends who died. And that's only I realized that really that simple coronavirus can get your family
Yeah.
member away from you. So that's how
Yes,
important
it
health
is
is.
very,
So
very
that's
important.
why we have survived. That's why we welcome to the great era of great health again. And this is our company, Prive International. We have branches in 88 countries, and we have branch there in your place in PNG. So really, I'm really excited to work with you there in PNG. There's
Very.
hopefully you'll be one of the leaders there and across the globe in 88 countries in Philippines, anywhere we have a branch, meaning we have a global presence, and the company delivers the product for free, and the client receives it, and us as distributors, as leaders, will be receiving bonuses. Okay, so this is
Mm,
our board of directors. So we have actually 4 years right now in the market with 80 years, 80 countries already. We will be celebrating our fourth year anniversary in Malaysia. Actually, it's our company main branch is based in Malaysia. We have
oh,
branch in America, Canada, Europe, anywhere in Australia, the whole of Europe and Africa. So we have branches. So basically, we be dealing with only with our health. So, but with regards to health per se, we all know that the number one cause of diseases based on statistics is cardiovascular problem,
correct.
right?
Very true.
If there is my dad, by the way, died last year because of coronary artery disease, heart attack. He was not able to reach the hospital. So and that's really unfortunate. And if only I was able to introduce only this product, I would have help him this with regards to having his problem. And number two, stroke. This is the most common disability. Blockage in the brain causes disability, paralysis, half side paralysis. So these are the two
Right.
most leading, plus cancer, of course. So you see this one, you're beautiful, but your face is deformed. You're young, but you have to work, but you cannot move your body. your mom, your dad, your uncles, your grandpas, we don't want them to have a disability, of course, because that how important health is. Cancer also, diabetes is the number 7 leading cause of death in the statistics. If you can see in the UK, there is a statistics, dementia and Alzheimer's, having dementia and Alzheimer's, which also lead to mortality and morbidity. Okay, so sickness per se is $1 trillion industry. I know you
Right.
have been in uh, global business also in supplementation. So supplements okay, but actually right now with regards to the trend, basically the
Right.
supplementation started from 1980s to 2000 until late 2000. No? Right now it's going
Right.
down pharmaceutical industry, and right now we are entering into a new trend, which is the frequency industry. Our company focuses on in technology, on frequency, on innovation, and this is our products. We have a lot of products. So the one that is available in PNG right now are the blowers. We have 4 blowers here. You can see this one. And one of
Okay.
we will be focusing on the secrets of longevity. Gina, you want to
Right.
live until 150 years old?
Oh, yeah, I
Yeah,
pray for that.
you can still see your children's children while being healthy. That's the
Right.
goal of the company, the longevity. So the most powerful combo for ultimate human health are grounding, oxygenation, and sunlight. So we have products like Itera Bio. This is like a foot massager. All you have to put your feet on this device, and it helps you to improve the circulation. It has PMF and it has terahertz frequency, basically good for weight management. Do you know someone who wants to lose weight? 1,200 calories every 30 minutes without exercise? Do you know
My
someone,
husband.
PNG? Huh? Your husband.
My,
So we have this
yeah.
device. Hopefully, it'll be arriving in the PNG soon. It's Itera Bio, Itera Bio Lite. Really, it's so effective. 1,200 calories per 30 minutes of use. It's really very, very good product. We have also this
Right.
device, Oxytop. It's the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. You're dealing with supplements before, right? Until now, right? But this is the
Yes.
world's first oxygen supplement. If this one came out before Corona or during the Corona, we are really, selling a lot of this device. It's the presence of
Right.
oxygen is the absence of a disease. So this one, you just put water in it. Just try to nozzle your whatever water you have, and it will remove the H2 from the water. It's pure oxygen already. You'll be drinking oxygen already. So it's good for those with cardiovascular problem, lung problem, sports. If you know someone who is into sports, football, basketball, really it will increase oxygenation from our cells, from our muscles. And we'll have a separate topic on this one, but I want to discuss right now the world's most advanced quantum lightwave terahertz therapy to the device today. These are like simple blowers, but there is science behind this iTera Care therapy device. So if you can see,
Okay.
we have 4 devices. Okay, it blows technology. The air that it blows, it's like a hair blower. It's warm air. The red one, I'll just describe it. The red one, we call it classic. It blows hot air. You can use it for 30 to 40 minutes. You're gonna love this one. Just blow this one. It helps to, I'll explain the benefits later. You can use it for 30 minutes. You have to rest it for another 30 minutes, then you can use it again. The pink one,
Okay.
you can use it for 60 minutes, 1 hour, up to 1 hour and 20 minutes. So you want to blow more, two of you and your husband wants to blow continuously. So you can use the pink for 60 to 90 minutes. Okay? Blows hot air also. Then you have to rest it, then you can use it again. The gray one, we call it premium. You can use it for 3 hours. Let's say you have a big family. You can use it 1 hour for you, 1 hour for your husband, 1 hour for your child. Okay? Blows hot air. You have to rest it, then you can use. The big one, this one, the one with the white one and black. You can use it unlimited. This is used for hospitals, clinics, physical therapy centers, and big family. So continuous, you can use it without resting it. For the entire, let's say you have the community mission, you can use this one and bring and help manage the pain of your patients. The difference, only on the black one, it has hot and cold setting. The rest are all hot, except this one, hot and cold. So because some patients, some people, they don't want hot, so we can use the cold. Okay. So remember, disclaimer only, our products, iTeracare, they are not medical equipments. Okay, just a disclaimer, they are not medical equipments. They are considered as a certified household electrical equipment, but it's really safe to use, though it's just considered as a household equipment, but it has a lot of success stories we're gonna show you later. Again, I am Kuya Vincent. I've been in the industry of physical therapy for the last 23 years in Saudi Arabia, United Arab, in Philippines. So I've handled thousands of cases, neurological, musculoskeletal, and common problems that I have encountered as a physical therapist is pain, inflammation, blockage. Do you know someone who is suffering from low back pain or knee pain, shoulder
My
pain,
husband.
neck pain, abdominal pain? These are musculoskeletal cases. Normally, once you suffer this one, directly you will drink Panadol. Panadol. All
Yeah,
dynamic acid, paracetamols, all pain relievers, right? Injections, steroids. So these are pain and inflammation that normally it's normal to everybody in PNG, especially the old folks. No, they have this arthritis, trigger finger, low back pains, and if you're gonna get sick, it's very very expensive to get sick, right? So that's why we have a device. That's why I'm introducing you now, a device that can help people manage their pain and inflammation. Inflammation meaning your limbs are swollen, your knees are big, your fingers are swollen, you have gouty arthritis, inflammation of the organs, colon, inflammation of the gallbladder, inflammation of the liver, inflammation of the brain, meningitis, tonsillitis, any with itis. This device is the best technology nowadays. This is our inventor, Professor Yang Wen-jun. He's a biomedical scientist. This revolutionary product has passed strict tests for safety, efficacy, and electronic conformity. And human clinical tests, we have 62 clinical tests. This device is patented. Nobody can copy it. We are the only one in the world. And before it was released to the public, it has undergone 8 years of research and development. It has 3-in-1 core technology. It has science behind these products. So we have inspection quality, all the accuracy test report, safety, plus radiation test. It has 0 radiation. So evidence-based, we have clinical studies, 62 of them, and the result was the iTeracare is 5-star for against inflammation. Against inflammation, any sorts of swelling, inflammation, tumors, nodes, inflammation of the liver, any inflammation. This is number 1, 5-star. It's also good for malignant tumors, virus, diabetes, inflammation of the red blood cells. So brain, really, it's good if you have any neurodegenerative cases, stroke, Parkinson's, really, really very, very good. Lymph nodes, skin, vaginitis, dysmenorrhea, neurasthenia. So, but apart from this one, inflammation. Take note of inflammation. So our device, iTeracare, it does not blow only ordinary air. It blows a special air that comprises this technology. It has 3-in-1 core technology. We have terahertz frequency. We have quantum technology, optical quartz technology. Okay, terahertz frequency. You know what is frequency? The wavelengths, frequency. An example of frequency is radio frequency. Radio frequency, right? So radio frequency, terahertz frequency is between the electromagnetic spectrum. So I'm gonna explain later. Once terahertz touches your cells, your human body, it resonates with our cells frequency, activating healthy and dormant cells, while it will eliminate bad and mutating and free radical cells in our body. So that's what terahertz does. It helps you to vibrate your cells, activate and charge your weak cells. So quantum
Amazing.
technology, you know about quantum 2.0, right? So quantum meaning it will help your cells be energized. So it increases
Mm-hmm.
energy field around it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So at the same time, it passes to any objects. That's why our iTera Care, it can penetrate deeply up to 20 to 30 centimeters up to the bone marrow. Okay. Even if you're wearing clothes, it can even penetrate directly to your body. Okay. Then we have optical quartz. It has a crystal quartz inside. That's why it's color blue. You will see the blue rays that emits. It amplifies. It is the one that amplifies the terahertz frequency, and it mimics 1/40th of the sunlight's power. But that's why when you blow the terahertz, it's hot, it's warm, it's good to the skin, it's good to the cells. It emits 150 minerals in it, and it increases vitamin D in our body. If you will research, Google vitamin D. This is the one that protects our immune system. That's why you're not getting sick. And once your immune system is high, you will be capable of uh, facing any type of diseases or illnesses.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the 3-in-1 core technology inside the machine. Then, according to the quantum models of reality, we could say that all diseases is a lowering of frequency. Gina, if
Mm-hmm.
you're sick, do you think you still have the energy to move? If you have back pain, do you think you still have energy to walk and climb the stairs or go to work? If you are sick,
No.
definitely you have no power, you have no frequency, you have no energy because basically every cell in our body is a battery. Once you're sick, your battery, your cells are weak, are low of energy, and low bat.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, no matter how good your cell phone is, if it's iPhone 16
Mm.
Pro Max,
Every
whatever, if
cell
it's
in your
low
body
bat,
is
if it's low
battery.
bat, it's
You're
useless.
sleeping.
Yes. Why did I say this one? Because
Come
every
on.
cell in our body is a battery. What iTera Care does, it activates and optimizes your cell's energy with use of this 3-in-1 core technology. How? If you can see, we are energy being. You are an energy. Anything that moves has energy. Energy in motion, right? Our cells. Do you know someone having a pacemaker? Pacemaker here? An electrical device in the heart? Because we are energy being, right? And we have a cellular voltage. The normal cellular voltage ranges from 80 to 100 millivolts. You will look inside, that's 80 to 100. But due to bad diet, stress, lack of sleep, too much overtime, too much work, emotional stress, acidity, the cells gradually decrease its cellular voltage. So it becomes 50 to 60 millivolts. But further radiation, further stress, further exposure to toxins and fast food, too much cholesterol, sugar, so the cells becomes weaker and weaker until becomes from 20 to 5 millivolts. So that's what abnormal state already happens. And normally we have that's why cancer cells now are developing so rapidly. A lot of patients are experiencing, I have a lot of patients having cancer nowadays, and they are very weak. They have no energy to move. Okay? So normally, if there is inflammation in our body or cancer cells, they have no energy, right? What
Yeah.
they do is they will attach to a healthy cell, take the energy from the healthy cell, right? Until the healthy cell becomes weak also. Then another organ will be damaged. Another organ will be damaged. Do you remember any cyst or, what do you call this one? A tumor? Why is it so big? The big becomes because the weaker cells are attaching to the healthier cells. Not, until such time
Mm.
it's so big, it becomes a tumor because the cells
Mm.
are too weak. What our device does, it's just an ordinary hair, like an ordinary hair blower. But what is that? Because of the 3-in-1 core technology, once it charges the cells, it optimizes the cells, it energizes the cells, it increases the scalar energy, the energy around the cells through resonance. See if you can see here, we have two frequencies, 512, 440. Look at the ping pong balls. See, it does not vibrate. But if the same frequency, 440 and 440, the ping pong ball vibrates through resonance. Why? Our device has 2 to 10 terahertz frequency device. 2 to 10 terahertz. Our cells, by science, it's, if we're gonna look, we have also frequency. It's between 2 to 10 also terahertz frequency. That's why when terahertz touches your cells, especially the water itself in our body, remember we are 70% water. The terahertz, the cells vibrate hundreds of millions of vibrations per second, thus activating and charging our weaker cells and optimizing it to become a healthy, stronger cells. So that's why it's not the terahertz, it's not our machine that heals our body. It only supports the cells. It's like a cell phone charger that charges our cells. So once our cells are fully optimized, so we have now the capability to heal by ourselves because of our immune system. Remember, this machine will not heal you. Okay? It is not the one that heal you. But by science, because it boosts, it charges every cells, we are the one healing. We have our inner doctor in us. The terahertz is this. This is the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves on the left, microwave, you have a microwave, right? Terahertz is in the middle, infrared, ultraviolet, and X-ray. The example of terahertz frequency, in 2004, it was discovered. So that 2004, the US government named it as the technology, one of the 10 technologies that will change the future of our world. An example of terahertz, if you go to the airport, you will scan your luggage, then just to check if there is drugs in it, right? That is not X-ray, that's terahertz frequency. It can penetrate deeply into your bags just to check whatever luggage you have in your bag, whatever things you have in the bag. That's why terahertz is used in communication, aviation security, and biomedical engineering. So it's a wave of life, light of life, and God's wave band. So that's the terahertz frequency. And we have scientific studies that terahertz is really good for human health, especially for cancers. So here, Hippocrates told 25 centuries ago, he's the ancient father of medicine. If there's a way to hit the bones, all diseases can be treated. He is the father of medicine. 25 years ago, he just predicted if there's a way to hit the bones, all diseases can be treated. Luckily, right now, 25 centuries after, we have a device that can really help penetrate our body deeply up to the bone marrow. I just want you to listen to this video.
Powerful. Care device has the ability to awaken dormant stem cells in the bone marrow. Yes, we have sleeping stem cells in our bone marrows. As you keep blowing this on your spine, you're activating these stem cells. And guess what? You're going to create brand new lungs, brand new kidneys. Eventually, as you keep using this over time, you will have brand new organs, glands, and tissues in your bodies. And that's a great news. You have to keep blowing this on your spine, because this is what the great Hippocrates said. There's a way to hit the bones, then all diseases can be treated. Activate that, awaken that stem cells in your bone marrows. Hit the bones using the future of medicine, which is frequency. Hitting the bones using frequency medicine. Yes, guys, we have decoded the secret to forever young and healthy body. This is your time. Grab your one device right now.
So if we have the way to hit the bones deeply, all diseases can be treated. What is inside the bone marrow? The red blood cells, the bone marrow is the one that produces red blood cells. And by science, by medicine, it also has dormant stem cells. So once you use and blow it to your spine, you're activating the stem cells, which is present in the bone marrow. So that's the best way to use the iTeraCare, evidence-based. We have clinical studies that supports that terahertz promotes differentiation of stem cells. This is from the Russian Academy of Sciences. Okay. Then the good thing about our product, the iTeraCare, it's deeply penetrating. It's a deep heating modality that can penetrate up to your internal organs, internal muscles, to your brain, to your brain stem, okay, to your prostate area, to your ovary, to your tonsils, to your internal organs, large intestines. This is the only device that is safely can be used to penetrate such deep organs. So it boosts the immune system, it activates metabolic, increases metabolic activity, increases cellular oxygenation, blood flow increases, it will relax your muscles. It's a powerful joint, powerful painkiller. So no need for pills. All you have to do is just blow it, blow it, blow it. So it's a good deep penetration. Number 2 use is blow your water like this. See? Blow your water before drinking. Okay, 1 liter, 90 seconds. Okay, just blow it. Why? What does iTeraCare do to our water? It makes the molecular structure smaller. So you're drinking a small water that has smaller molecular structure. Plus, from round, it will make the molecular structure linear, straight. So directly it will penetrate and be absorbed by the cells quickly. Okay? You know, water has memory. When you put orange powder, it becomes orange juice. Coffee powder, it will become coffee, espresso.
Correct.
If you put terahertz in your glass, it absorbs that terahertz frequency, and once you drink it, the water will be immediately absorbed by the cells, plus the fact that the water will vibrate, vibrate in our cells. Remember, we are 70% water.
Right.
Right? When you blow that this device to our body, our organs, 70% water, the water vibrates, and the water inside our cells becomes straight in molecular structure, will become smaller, meaning there will be an increase in cellular activity. No wonder we have a lot of patients who have been helped. This is one patient. We have an electron microscope. Yeah, this is an electron microscope. We took blood sample and have it tested in the electron microscope. Then we asked the patient to drink charged water, 1 glass, 30 seconds. Okay. Then we asked her to drink 30 seconds, 1 glass, 1 liter, at least 90 seconds. So we asked her to drink. Then after drinking, we took the blood sample again. And this was the blood sample.
Wow.
Really, from like this, diabetes, this is personal testimony. I have a lot of patients, promise. I tested 400. Sugar, 400. I asked it to drink the charged water. Then I blow 10 minutes. The sugar become 210. Almost half.
Wow.
Just only maybe 20 minutes. Then,
Amazing.
this is the effect of charged water. Only we are using water here. These are also one success story. This is Dr. Alpha Kirilala. So he's very well-known politician in Malaysia. But he has a problem. He has a diabetic foot. This one. The doctor told they will cut this foot. There's no way. But luckily, her secretary was able to find this red iTeraCare. You know, he blow it. Really, he just every day he just blow it. You know why? What? He became the
one of the biggest for free.
He was not amputated, and luckily he's now the global ambassador of iTeraCare, and he went to one of the biggest mosques.
Started sharing.
Just sharing.
To all his followers.
All Muslim here.
In one of the biggest mosques, ladies.
That's him, huh?
And he shouted, he said, "This is a gift from Allah." Woo! Every time I say that, I feel good, you know?
See? He went to the mosque directly and lifted because he has helped thousands of Muslims. This is another patient. This is Dr. Chinchongko. So he borrowed only this patient. Diabetic foot. I can come here. I will just borrow your foot anyway. It will be amputated. 1 month only. I will borrow your foot. He uses this device, drink charged water, put the gauze and charge the water from the gauze and clean it using the saline solution. But he charge it first. He blow any solution that we will be used to clean that amputated foot. And after a month, really the same story as the first success story. After a month, it's not like this already. From here,
Wow.
it become like this. Really, this is really it's only a Filipino language, but gangrene. He mentioned that not all gangrenous foot or diabetic foot will be amputated. See this one, sugar, just blow and drink charged water. If you know any diabetes there, we can help them without medicines.
Lots of diabetic patients here.
Yeah,
Lots
this
and
is
lots.
also the same scenario. This is a doctor in Philippines. She took the blood sample. This is the IteraCare, the red one.
Okay.
Then this is before. On the right side, if you can see the picture of the blood, they are clogged. Then she will test how's the structure of the blood after drinking charged water and blowing.
Okay.
On the right side is before, see the after. It becomes separated really. First day only, first treatment.
First treatment as well.
See the blood becomes separated.
Separated.
This is only one time. If she mentioned 3 times a day if you can do. This patient has lymphoma cancer. So the blood will separate really. See, this is my patient. He has arthritis.
Okay.
Then what happens is he cannot open the finger. This one, Arabic woman, Emirati woman.
Oh.
Not opening.
Very important.
Okay, then you will touch.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, blower only.
IteraCare.
Thank you, Lord. I have goosebumps, oh.
I'm hitting tasoy.
See, we can help a lot. We can help a lot of people, really. We can help a lot of people with these kinds of illnesses. No medicines, only just blowing.
Just blowing.
This is our clinic. This is our clinic in Abu Dhabi.
Looking.
We have one meniscal injury patient. Physical therapy clinic.
Looking.
He has problem in the knee, so we are using in our clinics. That's the IteraCare, the red one. Remember, we have 4 IteraCare. We can use it for arthritis, joint pains, muscular pain, knee osteoarthritis. We can also for frozen shoulder. If you know someone with frozen shoulder, you help them. Limited motion, you can use them to blow. This is John. See, he is using.
Oh, a lot better.
Oh.
A lot better.
It's a lot better. Really, we can help a lot of this is edema, inflammation. If you know someone big limbs, swollen fingers, varicose veins, we can help. Come here. I will help you. I will help. Just blow this one. Just use this device. We can help you. This is now an evidence-based clinical study that terahertz exposure enhances neuronal synaptic transmission. If you know someone having stroke, Parkinson's, handshaking, cerebral ataxia, neurodegenerate, Alzheimer's, come here. I will help you. This is one patient, Parkinson's. See the way he walks. Limited motion. 20 minutes only of therapy. He become loose. Muscles become loose. Then this one. If you know someone like this, shaking, the hands are shaking, Parkinson's,
Right.
come here.
Yes.
That's so tiring. Come here, I will help you. All you have to do is just blow the brain, blow the spinal cord, blow the hands. 30 minutes, just blow. To 1 hour, 1 hour, you blow. So we can help to really relax the nerves, relax the muscles so that they will not get tired. Every day they will just
Right.
use this one just to at least help them, heal them. This is one stroke patient. Stroke.
That's what he said. Right side of the
Paralysis, right side paralysis. Continuously
Mm.
using this one. So he cannot walk, he's in the bed, he's a singer. He mentioned do not eat pork. Do not smoke, do not eat pork. Stop smoking. So this is him. So gradually, this is 3 months recovery after stroke, 3 months. Now basketball, he can now walk. He's back to normal. This is the one. Right now, he attended the grand meeting in Philippines. He had a testimony. Take a picture of this one. Go to Google, YouTube. Neurological reset using iTeracare therapy. Research this one. This Dr. Nadia Latz. She explained how to use iTeracare with neurodegenerative cases to her patients. So caption this one and search in YouTube. Really, this is an American doctor. It's good for Alzheimer's. It helps to relax the nerves, the tissues, the muscles. So it will really help your old folks to remember better. But for us, just blow our brain. Just blow our brain so we will not forget everything, no? If you can see this one also, this one is a good testimony.
Yes.
For old mamas. Do you see this one before he was bedridden?
Right.
He has recovered from his sickness. Remember the energizing of the cells? You just blow, you energize the cells. You put energy to the cells. It's like a cell phone charger. For corona, lung problems, it's good. For if you know someone with breast cancer, come help. I will help you. I will decrease your breast tumor. Come here. This is my doctor. That's me on the top. Listen to the testimony of my doctor in South. She's an oncologist doctor.
Okay.
Okay. And I told her, wait until this Thursday, finish the last chemo session, and then you start this. She did not wait. She was very happy, and she doesn't really want to go for the surgery. So she used the iTeracare. And she told me, I feel so much relaxed. I feel the mass is going away. It's becoming smaller. I feel very comfortable. And I said, okay, so I'm going to give her 1 more week, and then we will do an ultrasound, and we will assess what is going on. But she said that she feels it's shrinking, it's coming down.
Very good, very good.
So yeah, I used it also. Then I used it on me.
Yes, very good. Okay.
I have 2 problems I've been suffering from for the past 2 months. One of my problems. Anyway, one of them is tennis elbow.
Okay.
I don't play tennis, but I have tennis elbow. I don't know how.
You have the tennis.
Yeah, and I have golfer's wrist, and I don't play golf. Anyway, and for that I took some local injections, very, very, maybe 6 injections in my joints, and nothing helped. I used the iTeracare really, not regularly. I just used it for 3 times maybe.
Okay.
No pain. No pain.
Wow.
For 1 whole week. Yeah. I can bend my wrist. I can bend my elbow. No pain.
Wow. That's good.
So now I'm really going to dedicate and do it on a regular basis as if I'm going to a clinic. I've been with appointments and everything, and I would use it and I will document what is it I feel. But really, it's not just no pain. I feel there is an ease in the movement of the joint.
Yes. That's good.
So this is my doctor from Saudi Arabia. He's an oncologist doctor, cancer doctor patients. So he use it to her patients. She's using to herself. Really, the results are very amazing. True success stories. We have patients in Philippines, kidney dialysis, 3 times kidney dialysis. I will share to you the video of this one. After 6 months using, right now she's only using it one dialysis already. Before it was 3 times a week. Now it's once a week dialysis, which is really a good recovery. Hopefully we will be able to win her from complete dialysis because it will help him to decrease the creatinine from her kidneys. Right? Nowadays, if you can see dialysis centers in the Philippines, every corner there is dialysis. Because the food from we eat, the vitamins or the whatever we drink, medicines, food, everything is damaging our kidney. So this is a prostate. This is Ernita Yag. He is really a good success story. This is the reason why I joined iTeracare. I heard from his story. He's already urinating blood from his penis. He's already pinching his penis so that the blood will come out. Until such time, he just took the money. He just took the money and buy an iTeracare, the red one. Every day he's charging the water, drinking water and blowing from the back, 10 minutes from the back, 10 minutes from the anus, 10 minutes from the genital area. Every day, 3 times a week. After 3 weeks, his urine is already clear. There's no more pain. Right now, he's being saved. He's really a missionary in Philippines right now. He talks to every people he see because of his prostate problem. We can also use it for our pets. See, this one is a sheep. Sheep. Yeah, this is a sheep who is really weak, has no energy. I told you the iTeracare is like a cell phone charger. You're charging the cells, you're giving energy back to the cells until the cells are fully charged and able to function well. See, after a few minutes, this is real. So you can, we have a lot of success even to chickens, or this is also a puppy, dying puppy. Really dying puppy, dying goldfish. Look at the goldfish. The dog also.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fish.
These are real. I cannot even believe it. We are charging the water. You put energy to the water. You put energy to the fish.
Amazing.
No wonder in America, it's known as the magic wand. Yeah, iTera baby. They call it the dog, iTera baby.
Wow.
See the fish. After a few minutes, it was revived. This is real. Unedited.
What?
This is my dog. This is my dog in the Philippines. He is sick. He was really sick. So he was sick, huh? Buknay is a female dog. Then, my brother-in-law blow the dog. First day, 30 minutes. No energy, sick. He's just lying down. No, not eating even. This is the second day. He don't have the appetite to eat even. My brother just, patiently blowing the dog using the device. It's just the red one, the cheapest one. See, he started to move. But he's still weak. See, he's falling down. But just be patient. It's a process. Remember, it's a healing process. It takes about a few processes before you be able to have a good result. First day, second day, really. My brother just blow it 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon. On the third day, she's back on her feet.
Oh, wow.
That's my dog. That's my real dog in Philippines. So it's user friendly. You can use it for adults, babies. This one is the baby.
Oh, baby.
iTeracare Grow.
Okay.
My child is 6 years old. She's using the iTeracare when she has cough and colds. We have zero radiation. So your laptop has more radiation than our iTeracare. See, it has radiation, but our iTeracare zero radiation.
Oh, wow.
Not even a flicker.
Amazing.
Not even a flicker of radiation. Zero radiation.
Mm,
But if you go back to
amazing.
the laptop, it has more radiation. So we have strict test, CME test, all the tests that you need, safety inspection report. And if you will be blown by 1 hour of iTeracare, it's like 10 times of acupuncture, 20 times of coughing, 30 times of gua sha, or 40 times of massage. Just 1 hour of iTeracare. Okay. By the way, this is not recommended if you're pregnant or having menstruation. You should not use it to the tummy. But if you have painful arms or legs, no problem. Don't use it if you have a pacemaker, but if you have pacemaker but you have the joints in the feet are swollen, you can use it. Same with the metal. Do not blow it directly in the metal. For open wounds and fractures, not allowed. For lenses, if you have cataract or contact lenses, just remove it. Then we have this blowing guide. I will gonna give you this blowing guide. What are the uses? See, these are the not allowed, the contraindications. Before you
Right.
use it, first 3 days, you need to use this one. Every day, you need to drink water. Before and after, charge the water and drink. Blow the hands, blow the feet, 2 to 3 minutes. Blow the back of the knees, the inguinal area, the axilla, the neck, the back of the neck, the head, the butt, and the spine. You need to do this one first 3 days, 2 to 3 minutes each, in order for us to open the meridians, the lymph nodes. Okay? If you have blood pressure, high blood pressure during the treatment, skip number 8. Okay? So this is only
Okay.
warming up your body. First 3 days, you can use for the back, you stimulate 15 to 30 minutes, you blow it up and down, up and down. You can blow for the ears. If you know someone with vertigo, tinnitus, ringing in the ears, or inner infection.
Yeah.
If you know someone with carpal tunnel syndrome, or problem in the hands, arthritis in the feet, plantar fasciitis, calcaneal spurs, any problems in the feet, low back pain, this is how to use it, counterclockwise, up and down movement. Catarata. If you know any patients with catarata, this is the procedure. Just follow this one, 2 to 3 minutes here, 2 to 3 minutes here. Then, the remaining minutes on the both eyes. So, total therapy is 20 minutes. Frozen shoulder, if you cannot sleep well, definitely once you use this one, following the procedure, you will sleep like a baby. You can use it for the face. You can see breast problem, like Doctora a while ago with Saudi Arabia, he has breast tumor, right? So cough and
Right,
colds,
right.
fever. So without drinking medicines, just blow this one. You'll got better. If you have prostate or gynecological problems for the female, ovarian, some patients in Philippines, some friends, they have no baby, but they were able to have baby once they blow each other, no? They are actually laughing, eh. How do you do
Wow.
it? We are blowing each other. So you have 2 devices.
Amazing.
Then I asked them, you have 2 devices. Yes, we bought each, but I am blowing hers and I am blowing his. That was the
Okay.
so they had the baby after that one. For gastrointestinal
Mhm.
problem, for any constipation or liver problem, anything that is inside the stomach, constipation or fatty liver, gallbladder, stones. So heart diseases, this is a procedure. High blood, follow this one. This is the protocol. If you have diabetes, follow
Mhm.
this one. Target the liver, the spleen on the left side of your body.
Okay.
And
Okay.
hyperthyroidism, stroke,
Mhm.
hemiplegia, so arthritis, rheumatic joints, kidney. If you have kidney problems, follow this one. Hemorrhoids,
Mhm.
rhinitis, nasal problem, toothache, even toothache or gums. I told you any pain, tsaka any inflammation. Varicose veins, this is the procedure. Inflammation of the tonsils. Okay? inflammation of the tonsils. Then field coldness, obesity, also weight loss. If you have a big tummy, you want to reduce this one directly, you blow on that area. You will see it will
Yeah,
disappear.
I have big tummy, so I really need it.
So hair problem also, it will help you to boost the hair strands, no? It will increase blood circulation in the scalp. So these are 2 to 3 glasses, warm water every day. For the first 3 sessions, follow the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10 blowing guide. Then, if you blow it, do not you take a bath. Not allowed take a bath in 4 hours. Okay? You take a bath first before you blow. So or after 4 hours. So this is the blowing guide, and this is the pricing in UAE. This is the price. The price in Philippines is here. And I'll gonna show you later what's the price in PNG. So think of someone you love who can benefit. Do you know one? Do you know thousands, hundreds who can benefit from our device? The good
More
thing
than 100.
about our device, really, we are helping people. It's a people helping people business. It's not emptied like medicine. You will only buy it once for the family. There is no expiration. And one device, you can use it for your father, to your mother, to your grandfather, grandmother, to you, to your husband, to your children, to your dogs, to your cats, to your chicken. So one device.
True.
That's the goal of the company. Our goal is one IT record device per household, bringing life to every home. That's how many houses in
True.
PNG? Do you know how many houses? You know, there is one testimony. I'm gonna share to you this at all. The doctor has back pain, severe back pain for the last 40 years. He's always taking Panadol. Tramadol. So severe, then one friend knocked to his home. He gave only the red one, the red classic. Then the first time he used it, he told, I slept like a baby. That was, I slept like a baby. Where did you get this one? What is the science behind this? Then the one who gave him, his friend, told, I don't know the science behind it, but what I know, the lady that told me this one, he has recovered after using it. So you know what? The doctor, after few days, few weeks, no, he has been healed from his low back pain. He knocked the household, her neighbors, his neighbor. You have to have this device. You have to have this device. So we have branches anywhere. This is our global events. We have different events globally. We will be celebrating our 4th year anniversary this November in Malaysia. And I think Sabina will be coming, and name every places that you know we have. Okay, so this is the products that are currently available in your place. So we have the event last time. So these are same thing, recognitions. We have Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Taiwan, Myanmar, Malaysia, Philippines, Poland, Indonesia, in the 88 countries now. I cannot even, I don't have the data, but totally 88 countries. So if you have friends anywhere, really can tap them, PNG people, and other friends, other nationalities as well. So
Correct.
that's our product. It's a people helping people business, either to help. But I'm gonna share you about the wealth. Are you interested on how to earn?
Yep.
Okay. We can solve a lots of inflammation, right? Let's say yes, for a while. So a lot of inflammations like gastritis, arthritis. Okay. But we can solve also walletitis. You know walletitis?
No.
Inflammation of
What's
the
that?
wallet. Inflammation of the wallet.
Oh.
Walletitis. Inflammation of the wallet, because when you open your wallet, it's like an onion. It makes me cry. You know someone, my wallet is like an onion. When I open it, it makes me cry. That's
That is
walletitis for
true.
me.
Walletitis, okay. I understand now.
Now we have a solution for walititis. If you know someone has walititis, more than sciatica and in other inflammation, arthritis.
Yeah, more than other information.
So again, this is our business presentation. So Price, these are the top leaders really are earning. Disclaimer, this is that it's not because you're the first you will earn more. No, this is effort based. It's not because I am late I will earn less. No, it's still effort based depending on your skill, your strategies, on your hard work and smart work also. So why Price?
Right.
Because we have an outstanding product that is irrelevant competition. We don't have competition unlike supplements. Let's say another this vitamin A, we have another vitamin A. Vitamin C, we have another vitamin C different. Right?
That is true.
There is one vitamin C that is offering new one with free Wi-Fi. Vitamin C with Wi-Fi. Just to be different. Just to be different from vitamin C. Anyway, we are the first in the world globally. Our product works like magic, really. They will be amazed with your product. It's a necessity, generous compensation plan. Our market is magnanimous, and we are 4 years global presence in 88 countries. Just only 4 years. Can you imagine after 10 years? So we have global presence, 88 now, branches. So these are the pricing in the Philippines. Each country has different pricing. Each country. I think this is the pricing in the PNG. What's the pricing in PNG? That's
In
460,
PNG?
460. This is PNG. $460 for the red. PP is product price. Per product, there is PV, point value. The
Okay.
P or the point value, these are the points for every product. This is where we base our commissions. The price is PP is product price. So $460, the red. You can use it 30 to 40 minutes. Rest it for another 30 minutes and you can use it again. This is the fast selling. They are the same with the premium. The difference only 3 hours. You can use it 3 hours. The red one is personal use. If you have family, the gray one is okay. Because 3 hours, 1 hour for you, 1 hour for husband, 1 hour for your child. The price is $1,320 US. The points is 600. The unlimited one, the hot and cold, the pro, it's $4,900. The points is 2,000 dirhams. 2,000 points. So this is the pricing in PNG. Okay? So I'm just gonna move. Yeah. In order for you to start the business, just get one package. You get package either silver, gold, or diamond. The silver has 200 points. So either you get one red or the pink. The pink is not available so far there. So get the red, that's silver. If you want to get the gold, either 3 reds or 1 premium, the 3 hours. Or the Itera BioLite, this is the foot massager. Then diamond, you can get the pro, the unlimited, or 10 reds. So that's 2,000 points. Or the OxyTop, the oxygen water. So we'll start first with the blower, so you'll not get confused. So if you get a package, let's say I took only a silver package, one red, just for a start. The company, I will register you as a distributor global. So then you will have a back office. Here in the back office, where you will encode your customers, tell Itera Care PNG, deliver to this one to this address. Okay? That's our job, to encode the clients and tell Price at Italy, deliver this one to his address in Italy. This is where also we will withdraw our cash in PNG. If you'll get in PNG, withdraw to your wallet. And this is where also we're gonna replace our voucher because we have vouchers here. Our bonus will be US dollars cash and US dollars voucher. Okay? So, so once you have your back office, you will have a top-up link. This top-up link. top uplink. Once you click this one, it will appear on the right. Your username, or example, your name here, your username, okay?
Right.
Then you will enter the amount, which product, and your name and what product you will enter. Then click submit. This top-up link you will give to your customers in PNG or in America or in Canada, so that, Jin, I want to order iTeracare Classic. I am in America. How can I order? Okay, I will throw to you my top-up link. You pay there. Okay? So once the client pays in the top-up link using the PayPal account, it will enter to the registered wallet. Here, registered wallet. So it will reflect here. Oh, my client in America already paid. So the registered wallet will have 420 dirhams. So all you have to do is, because our business is pure online, all you have to do is a cell phone, internet, WhatsApp, and this back office. You will go to the back office, then register your client America. Oh, deliver New York branch. Deliver this one in 101 New York Street in New York, USA. So the USA branch will deliver free. Okay, directly you will receive 2 bonus. One bonus is cash. It will be in the bonus wallet. Here you can withdraw. And the next bonus is voucher. Here, it will be reflect on the loyalty redemption wallet. So you have cash, you have voucher. So these are the 3 wallets that we have, okay? So the cash, you can directly withdraw from your account there in PNG. The loyalty redemption, you can redeem products. So these are the 8 ways to earn money. So sponsorship, loyalty, level pairing, group pairing, leadership, I'll discuss it one by one. There are 3 stages of payout. Fast money or fast track income, mid income, and the back end income. So we'll discuss first the company has a long-term plan. Long-term, it will be long-term. Why? Because from bonus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, bonus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the company applies 80% cash, 20% voucher. Okay, let's say you earn 100,000 US dollars. So 80,000 US dollars will be cash and $20,000 US dollars voucher. The voucher meaning you can redeem products. Okay, meaning the company always has a sale, right? So from bonus 1, let's say for example, bonus 1. What is bonus? This is the cash one. If you sell a package, silver, that's 200 points, 10% of the 200 points, you have $20 cash. Okay, this is the cash one. If you sell a gold, $60. If you sell a diamond or the pro, the big one, $200 cash. Okay? Remember, the bonus one is cash. Aside from the cash, the bonus number 2 is voucher. So you sell a silver, the red one, you sell a red one, that's $220 cash. Then apart from the cash, you have $70 voucher. So all in all, you have $90. If you sold one red. If you sold one premium 3 hours, you have $60 cash and $240 voucher. So that's $300. If you sell a diamond, that's $200 cash and $1,200 voucher. So, Sir Kuya Vincent, what is that voucher? Example, the price in PNG is $460, right? So $460. So if you sell, example, one pro. So you have $200 cash and $1,000 US dollars voucher. 260. I want a free classic. Or you can exchange the $460 from your 1,000. So you can redeem two voucher, 2 red classic, right? Because you have $1,000 voucher. Minus 460. 460 times 2. 920. Or you can redeem 2 products of classic. Either you can give it to your friend, give it to your mom, or you can sell it. Have it a stock, a revolving stock, so that you have stocks at your home, right? So same thing here. This is the per piece. If one classic, you have $90, premium $300, one pro is $1,200. Okay, that's bonus 1 and 2. Now we'll go to the bonus 3. This is the exciting part. All you have to do, get leaders among your team. Come here, I'll help you. Because this is a people helping people business. You're just selling a pain management device. Come here, I'll help you. Help them to grow. Why? If your leader 1 took a silver, you have $90. Leader 2, you took $90. Here, in the level 3, you will be the first client that you will take. Automatic, the system will put on the left. That's the first one. The second one, it's up to you. I want it here or left side or right side. So if you put on the right side, you have $90 on the left, $90. Since there is a pair of silver, you will earn extra $80. So meaning, for every 2 classic, 2 red, you will earn $90, $90, and $80. That's $260. For every 2 pieces, $260. Now, leader 1, not you. Leader 1 sold 1 diamond. So leader 1 earned $1,200. Leader 1, huh? Then leader 2 sold 1 silver. She earned $90. But you will earn $80. Because the pairing from your group is diamond and silver. That's $80. Remember, whether you or your leaders are the one getting, there is a pair of silver and diamond, that's $80. But what if there is a pair of diamond and diamond under your system? That's $800. Whether you or your downline sold or 1 diamond, that's $800 for you. Okay? Look at number 2. Silver. I want to upgrade to diamond. She upgraded to diamond. I'll show you why. You need to upgrade later to diamond. The company pays you $80, so they will, since diamond and diamond, they will also bring the remaining because it's diamond, $720 will be credited to you because diamond and diamond account eh. So you can upgrade accounts. Let's say you took the silver today, you can upgrade anytime you want. Okay, because if the team is growing, you have to upgrade, promise. And this is infinite.
Right.
Can you imagine if you have 2 leaders? Example, 2 leaders. They are selling the classic only. They sold one year 100 pieces each. $80 times 1, $8,000. Is it fine?
Right.
Let's say you have 2 leaders. Leader 1 in America, leader 2 in PNG. Both of them sold. Every time they sold pro, you have $800. Remember, you are not the one selling. That's why I told my team here, if you don't know how to sell, get people who knows how to sell. If you are already old, get younger people. Yeah, if you don't know how to talk, get people who knows how to talk. You work smart. You are leveraging your team. Because we have an authentic product here. We are not cheating people. These are real products that can help. Promise. Okay? This is bonus 1, bonus 2, and bonus 3. Again, this for summary, bonus 1, if you sell 2 reds, $260. That's your commission. If you sold the high end, $3,200. So if you were to choose which one you will sell, the red one or the pro one. If possible, if money is not an issue, I'll send the pro, right? Especially if money is not an issue to that guy. Which do you want, money or your health? Remember, it's foolish to be the richest man in the cemetery.
Very
rich,
true.
but you're in the cemetery, you're foolish, right? So we'll still prioritize our health. If you sell, let's say you started with the classic, in order for you to return back your money, that's only 5 people under you. Okay?
Right.
Now, bonus number 4. This is the big amount. Big money. We are, first, 1, 2, 3 is fast money. The big money is here. In the bonus number 4 and bonus number 5, here there is a maintenance. We need to have maintenance. That's the bonus number 6. Okay? Later I'll discuss. But bonus number 4, you need to be diamond account as much as possible. As much as possible.
Okay.
Then, how? In bonus number 4, it will start from 4th generation below. Yung first, second, third, it's for the company. From 4th generation below, here your position matters, your package. you took the silver package, Gina, let's say you have 8%. If you're gold, 10%. If you're diamond, 12%. What is that? The bonus number 3, again, I will go back to bonus number 3. This is the first pair. All first pair. Okay? And how about, Sir Vincent, the second pair, third pair, 100 pair, 1,000 pair? This is where the bonus number 4 comes in. This is where the big money comes in. All the points on the left, because all products, no, they have points. All products on the left and products on the right, they will be matched. Okay? So let's say you're a gold account. That's 10%. You took the premium. That's gold. You have 50,000 points on the left. So meaning how many iTerra Care you sold, right? You have 10,000 points on the right. So the bonus account here will be matched. So what is the matching points? 10,000. 10,000 on the left, 10,000 on the right. So you will be given 10% since you're a gold. Okay? So that is $1,000 per day. Assuming there's a match of 10,000 points every day. But since you're a gold, there is a bracket. Daily, the maximum income for a gold is $900 only. So instead of $1,000, only $900 will be given. Okay?
Okay.
So now, how about the points? How about what happens to the points? So here, 9,000 points only will be removed from your strong leg. So 41,000 points will be matched tomorrow again. This is daily. Group pairing is daily. So tomorrow you have another 10,000. You have another $900. Then 900 will be matched, will be minus there. So remember, whichever left or right, which is the strongest, okay? So it will be deducted. It will not be spilled. There's no spill over here. There's no flushing. Okay, it will just remain there. And every day it will pile up. So how much? So if you're a silver, diamond, that's why you need to be a diamond later on. Why? Because it's the same thing, 10,000 points. Let's say the match is 10,000, so 12%. Automatically, you receive 1,200. Imagine you have 10,000 points daily. The bonus number 4 gives you automatically 1,200.
Right.
Really? And for a diamond account, the maximum payout is 3,750. That's the maximum per day. This one is per day. I'm telling per day. So 10,000 points will be minus on the other side. So you have 40,000 points for tomorrow to be paired. So if you have 10,000 points again on the right, you have another $1,200. Can you imagine earning 1,200 every day? Right?
Wow.
So this is the big money here. That's the bonus number 4. But if you're a silver, let's say you will start a silver, same scenario. Instead of receiving 1,200, a silver can only receive maximum 300 per day. So you lose $900. That's why if you're earning that much already, you have to upgrade later on to be a diamond. Your account, your account. Because you will be losing more. That's bonus number 4, from the bonus number 4. Now in the so 47 will be matched there. You see, every day you have another points to be matched on the other side, on the right. So here the summary for bonus number 4. If you're only a silver, so $300 per day, maximum income per month daily is times 30 days. So that's $9,000 US. Not bad monthly, $9,000 US. Right? That's one account. So if you're a gold, maximum per day is $900 times 30 days, so $27 US. That's monthly income. And if you're a diamond, you can earn up to if you're maxing out every day, 3,750 times 30, $112,500 US per account. Okay? So now we'll go to bonus number 5. According to the leaders, this is the biggest amount of bonus. Why? Because every people that are earning in bonus number 4, early, all downlines that you have, people that you took, and the people that they took, no, it will be under you. Meaning, if you're a silver, from first generation, you have 10%. Let's say, Gina, you have 10 friends. 10 friends who are earning in bonus number 4. You have 10%. And these 10 people, they took also 10 people. That's 100 people. You have 5% of the 100 people. And these 100 people took 110 people each. That's 1,000 people. You have 5% of the 1,000 people. And those 1,000 people took 10 again. So that's 10,000 people. Meaning if you're a silver, up to the 4th generation, you earn 10%, 5%, 5%. If you're a gold, up to the 5th level. If you're a diamond, up to the 6th generation. Can you imagine, as your team grows deeply, you will earn 10%, 5%, 5%, 5% of all those people under you. This is the leadership bonus. And remember, according to the leaders, this is where the money is. Not in the bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4. The bonus 5 is the biggest amount of money you can get. Okay? Now, in order for you to get bonus 4 and 5, you need to follow the unilevel income. Unilevel income, this is where maintenance comes into. If you're already earning, by the way, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, no need to do maintenance. You will get the bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. Okay? But if you're earning already in bonus number 4 and bonus number 5, or in big money is, you have to do maintenance. The maintenance is $30 every month. If you're earning $10,000, what is $30 every month? And the $30 will go to the voucher. Okay? It will go to the voucher. So meaning, if you accumulate $460 voucher because of the maintenance, you can redeem products. You can exchange it with a product. So
Right.
the maintenance, this is where now the passive income goes into. Why? For all people under you who are maintaining, let's say you took only 2, and the 2 took and 2. Just follow this then, 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. Up to the 20th generation, you will earn. If everybody, for the sake of argument, is maintaining $30 from their commission, not from their pocket, every month you will receive $1.3 million per month. Okay?
My goodness
Because
gracious.
why? Per people that maintains, you have $0.63 per people that maintains in your organization. And remember, what is maintaining $30 that will also go to my voucher if I am earning this much per person? That's why this is the passive income. Remember, every people that are maintaining, other companies, they have maintenance also. Here, some companies, the longer you stay in the company, the harder it takes. The harder the job. But for us, the longer you stay, the longer you do, the lesser job we will be doing. And remember, we are in technology company. We are biomedical company. So let's say you have 1,000 who are maintaining. This is passive income. This will happen 2, 3, 4 years from now. Okay, remember, we are in the 4th year of the company right now. And bonus number 7, as you rank up, there is additional bonus. 1 star, $300, 2 stars, $600, 3 star, $900, and up to the Crown Ambassador, $16,000. So how to rank up? If you want to become 1-star manager, you have 2 people under you, either left or left-right, doesn't matter. But as long as 2 people, let's say 10,000 points, first leader, second leader, 10,000 points. What is 10,000 points? It's like the pro is 2,000 points, right? The IteraCare Pro, the big one, is 2,000 points, meaning 5 pro and 5 pro. If you see 2 leaders who sell 5 pro, you automatically become 1-star manager. Okay? And help these two leaders to become 1-star. They already have 10,000. So they just need one another leader to have 10,000. So if they become 1-star, you become 2-star. Now, you will help this 2-star, 1-star manager to become 2-star, you become 3-star. Okay?
Okay.
And you will help these two managers from 2-star, let them become 3-star managers so that you will be qualified for a profit sharing. If 2 3-star managers under you, you have 0.1% from the global shares of the company. Yearly, this is the big event. This is the big money also. So 0.1% if you have 2 leaders. Remember, you don't need too many people here. All you have to do is 2 good leaders. The maximum is 8. Because if you have 8 leaders who become 3-star, you will become crown ambassador. Currently, there are only 2 crown ambassadors in the world. 2 only. So 8 leaders who become 3-star. And this is how to become a 3-star. Okay? It's like 5-star, 5 pro, 5 pro. If you have 5 pro, 1-star automatic. Right? So tell your future leaders to follow the same. Then once you have accumulated 8 3-star, that's crown ambassador. So again, this is the summary. For every red, the classic, the cheapest one, for every 2, you have $260. For every diamond account, $3,200. Bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, no need maintenance. Bonus 4 and 5, you have maintenance. The maintenance is the bonus 6. For each people that maintain, you have $0.63. Okay?
Right.
Then most of the people that I encounter, they are users. But the income mostly goes to the 2% of business leaders. I hope you will be the business. Don't be a seller, huh? We are not sellers. Go to the business building. You become a leader. You train people. You encourage people. Be a motivator. Just be wise, because use the power of leveraging. Selling, okay.
Right.
There's money in selling, but you're gonna get tired, because if no sell, no money. But if you will go to the business building, you're gonna let people, leaders under you, be talk to me. So I will be the one talking to them as well. I will help you initially for the next 1 year. Okay? Then as we develop leaders under you. Here, we have only top few markets, because we are in the fourth year only. It's a blue ocean market. Remember the hair dryers? Are you using one before? Hair dryers?
Yes.
Based on statistics, 2023, the United States have sold 63 units of hair dryers, 61,000 units of hair dryers every single day. That's the American, but that's you researching Google. 61,700 units every day. You know that our iTera Care is better hair dryer because it has 0 radiation. In hair dryers, you'll have dementia or Alzheimer's. You'll have full exposure about our iTera Care. So just for ladies alone, can you imagine?
Right.
So our goal, 1 iTera Care, 1 household. Again, the red one, you can use it 30 to 40 minutes. The pink one, you can use it for 90 minutes. Continuous, continuous. The gray one, you can use it for 3 hours, continuous. The pro one, this is the big one, you can use it unlimited. Hot and cold. The rest are hot. So these are the difference. But they are all the same. But the difference is the motor. Length of usage. Of course, the pro one is high-end. If money is not an issue, that's the pro. If we'll start with the red or the pink. I started, but I'm gonna give you a better strategy. In order for you to have good money income in price, follow the same strategy. This is you. This is you. This is you. This is you. Example, you took pro. Example will go the pro. You took the pro, you took the pro, you took the pro. So that's the big machine. So you have 3,200 already. Because for every pro, 2 pros, 3,200, right?
Mm-hmm.
1,200.
Yes.
So U1 earn 3,200. Now the next strategy is get 8 leaders who will do the same. They will do the same. 3 heads. Okay? Leader 1, leader 2, leader 3, leader 4. Let's say they took all pro. Meaning leader 2 already had $1,200 from leader 1, $1,200 leader 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's almost 4,800 already. That's the bonus, huh? Same thing with number
Right.
3. 1,200, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 each. Right? Now, leader 1. The pairing of 1 and 5, $800 for 1.
Right.
2 and 6, $800 for 1. That's pro, example. 3 and 7, $800 for 1. 4 and 8, $800 for 1. Okay? That's the pay.
Right.
1 and 5, that's for 1. So assuming you already build this leader 1, 2, and 3, and 4, they also took 3 heads. Remember, bonus number 4 will start on the 4th generation below. So leader
Right.
1, he took 3 heads. So 1, 2, 3. From the last member of leader 1, sa the number 2, the number 2 onwards, every people he took will be on the bonus number 4 already. So points
Okay.
on the left, 10,000 points on the left, 10,000 points on the right. So it will be matched. So if you're a diamond account, that's 12%. Right? Bonus number 1. Again,
Okay.
you already built the left of number 2 and the left of number 3, wherein the pairing is for number U1. Next, once one is already earning, now time to put 1 on the right of number 2, wherein it will be matched to the leaders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and onwards already. So you have another income here on the right of number 2. Later on, you have a friend in America, a leader. You can put on the right of number 3 because you have already the left.
Right.
So
Okay. Got it.
it's a good strategy. You already don't just follow this one. So that you will not be misleaded. We will
Right.
go first on this one. So always on the left of number 2, left of number 2. Now, if you suddenly found along your journey a good leader, you can put him on the right of number 2, because whatever he does, it will be paired on the left side. So that's automatic income for number 2. Automatic income for number 3. Now, we will go back to the bonus number 4. Okay. So you have bonus number 4 and number 5 for number 2. Bonus number 4, number 5 for number 3. And tabulating 2 and 3, you have bonus number 4 and 5 for number 1. So you have 3 incomes. Same effort, but times 3 income. It's at first it seems how come, but you as you go along, you just imagine. I will be sharing you the slides. Don't worry, I'll be sharing it so that you'll have an idea. But
No,
the
not a
perfect
problem.
this is the perfect strategy. Those with
Yep.
qualities, come here. Qualities, come here. I will have a solution for you. You help people with pain. You go to the hospital one time, left and right, you'll see a lot of people sick. Come here. People nowadays, they don't often afraid to drink something. Yes or no? If you give them
Yeah.
vitamins or anything medicine, they are afraid to maybe their side effect. Right?
Of
That's
course.
the
Of
normal
course.
scenario. Will you
Yeah,
example
normal.
for me? You don't know me, I will give you something, you will drink directly.
No.
Here, you just have to blow. The technique is like this. If you have the device, come here. Lie down. Lie down. You have back pain. Just lie down, then blow. Shh. What is that? Just blow. Do not talk. Just blow the back. Let him lie down on his back. Shh. Just blow. You know what will happen? What is that? How come there's no more pain? Where can I buy that?
Correct.
That's my real story. I don't tell science. I just told them, lie back. Lie on your stomach. Lie on your stomach. Why? I have back pain. Just lie on your stomach. Shh. Then I blow. Then they buy afterwards. Really, that's true. Here, what I did, at first, I don't have money. Honestly, I don't have money when my friend told me about this one. So what will I do? How to join? I talked to my friend, stroke patient, his brother. I thought this machine is good to your brother. I was able to convince. Then my friend bought. Then I give the machine, I took the account under me. So I have already one account. I have U1 already. I talked to another Emirati, back pain. I know this machine, this good. He bought. I have U2 again. So I have 2 accounts already. Then I talked to another one. Come here. Without money, I was able to accumulate 3 heads under me. Then salary came. When my salary came, that's the time I was able to have my own device. Plus, I'll have some bonuses already. I have free accounts, free devices. All machines are with me are all free because of the vouchers. Then I started to learn the presentation. I started to use the product. So this is our goal only, just to help people and be authentic in sharing. We want to have a good life, YOLO. We only live once, so we just need to believe in the system, believe in the product. We need to take action, and we will be able to get 100% results. Right?
Right.
So here I'm gonna share you. This is our current situation right now. This is our point A. Maybe you have less salary, you have you're sick, you have health challenges. This is our point A. You're fed up with you want to do something, and what you want to reach our goal. Point B, this is where we want. This is where we want a good house, we want to have a good car, we want to savings, money, like we have savings in the bank for the kids, education, whatever, travels. We want to have apartments, condominiums. We want to have a farm. That's our point B. Point B. But in order for us to reach that point from point A, we need to work. Right? This is our current situation. No money. We don't want to have money. So we have to work. But in between point A, our situation now, and point B, our dreams, there is a big ocean, Pacific Ocean, like Philippines to PNG. This ocean represents our challenges, our tasks that we need to do, our problems where there's no money. So what are you going to do? So you have to swim. You can swim, actually. You can swim the ocean. But you have to work. But the problem is, in the ocean, maybe there are sharks, there are, whales that will eat you alive. So you cannot reach the ocean. So right now, you can swim actually up to 40 years. You can work up to 40 years in order for you to achieve your dreams, to have financial freedom. But right now, I'm offering you something. I'm offering you what we call a speedboat. The name is Prive iTerra Care. A speedboat that can help you to reach faster from point A to point B. Okay? This is the speedboat that can drive you, help people to manage their pain, inflammation, be better, and at the same time be able to reach your point B, which are your dreams. Okay? But my boat has a fare. You need to pay a fare in my speedboat. Okay? You need to buy an iTerra Care device. That's the fare in order for you to ride my speedboat going to your point B. Because I believe if you will have your own device, Gina, there, you will be able to inspire a lot of people, be able to show, because whatever, let's say I will visit your house, whatever you put in your table, right, for me to eat, I will eat, right? But if you don't
Correct.
have a device there, it's difficult. But though I tried it already, it's much better for you to have a demonstration so that people can try it as well. Because I believe
Correct.
if you will have the device, if you'll ride the speedboat, it will be easier for you to reach from point A to point B.
Correct.
Okay? So that's only my sharing for today. And that's how wonderful our company is. Our product is really, really amazing. And so in PNG, we have a branch there. We have a branch in PNG. So whatever you do, don't worry, because I have friends in Pakistan. There is no branch in Pakistan. What they are trying to get in UAE and send it to Pakistan, which is difficult. But we can do. But luckily, we have a branch. That's why
Yes.
Sister Sabina told you, tap you, because she knows we have a branch in PNG. And our
Right.
branch here is a great, this is one of the great leaders in Pride. Sister Sarah Cariaga, both husband and wife. So we have a support system. Tomorrow, every day we have a Zoom meeting. What's 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock. What's the time now there? 6 hours, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 6 hours.
3,
9. Yes.
9 o'clock. Every 9 o'clock, I will invite you. I'll send you the Zoom link. Every 9 o'clock, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, we have a support system for leaders. So I'm not just telling you,
Right.
sell it and you sell. You just know how to sell. Just sell it to anybody. No, no. Here we have a support system so that you will be properly guided. We will be teaching you. We'll be inspiring you. We will teach you the techniques that you need to learn, right? Because you're going to a war. You should not go there just no, alone. No, no, because we have a system. So as a leader, I'll be inviting you regularly on Zoom. If you'll be free, if you can attend, that would be better, so that we are in the industry of healing. We're in the industry of helping
Right.
people. So you should be authentic. But in order for you to start, really, you will have to have that device with you. Okay?
Right.
I told you, no? I don't have this one. I don't really, honestly, I don't have money when I joined. I just use my saliva. I use just my courage and my thick face, to go out to people,
Correct.
because I wanted it. I know how I have, if I have that device, I can be more successful, because everything
Correct.
what we did is financial and time freedom, and of course helping people. Just come. If you see, you go to the hospital, come here, I'll help you. Come here. I'll help you if you're suffering from gouty arthritis. Come here. I'll help you. Remember, one device for the entire family already. One device. It helps mama, papa, grandmama. Come here. That's how
Okay, I think
our device really
you
is.
will be helping me to you will be helping me to connect with Sarah, and
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
I need to be getting a
She is
package.
the owner of Price PNG.
Right.
Yeah, she is the owner of our Price
Oh,
branch there.
right.
So
PNG.
she is you. If you will be attending tomorrow, I'll give you the link tomorrow. But when you enter,
Alright.
make sure you rename yourself. I'll show you how to rename it. Then so that you'll
Right.
be enter MLA Gina at PNG. So you're gonna meet her. She's a fantastic leader. She is the owner of Price PNG. So I'll guide
Right.
you. Don't worry. And you're in a good team. We will support you. We have a support system that really helps leaders.
Thank you.
Some they just ask you to sell. Okay, just it's like do it yourself. No, for us, no. We'll be have a support system that guides people also, and
Right.
distributors. And remember, we are international. Don't limit yourself in PNG alone. We have a huge.
Yes, that's right.
I am in UAE, but I am talking in PNG right now. Our Zoom is the latest technology that we can use. Remember, our business is pure online. Just apply it pure online. Though in PNG, demo. You can just have to demo the machine with you and to your family first. Okay? Hello, Regine.